Hi dear students, let's see this question that was asked in JEE Advanced Paper 2 2020 Physics. This was a numeric type question and it was based upon simple concept of bulk modulus. In fact, out of generosity, IT had also given you the formula of bulk modulus as if they believe that students would not be remembering that. Anyway, so here what is happening, a solid cubical block of aluminium of edge length 1 meter on the surface of earth when it is taken deep down into the ocean, which is 5 kilometers deep. So we have to find the decrement in the length of the edge. Actually, it is mentioned the change in the length, but because of extra pressure down inside the ocean, there will be a slight decrement. So we have to find that change or decrement in the length, side length of the aluminium. So the question is pretty simple. It's a cubical block, so we know that the bulk modulus is equals to minus dp upon dv by v, so as is given in over here. So bulk modulus of the aluminium, it has been given as 70 gigapascals, right? So we can say that 70 gigapascals, that means 10 to the power 9, giga means 10 to the power 9, will be is equals to minus of dp is change in the pressure. So compared to the surface of the earth, the excess pressure inside the ocean, which is 5 kilometers deep, can be found out by the value of h rho g. So h will be 5000 in meters. Density of water has been given as 1000. Gravity we can take 10 as given in the question. So this is the extra pressure. dp is the change in the pressure. So this is the extra pressure divided by fractional change in the volume. Now this is a cube, so we know that fractional change in the volume dV by V will become 3 into dl by L, where L is the edge length, because V is equals to L cube. So this implies dV by V equals to 3 dl by L using the simple concept of errors. So dV by V we can write 3 dl by L, right, where L is the edge length. Negative sign, what is the significance of the negative sign? As I told you, because of the increment in the pressure, there will be decrement in the length. So dl over here will be a negative quantity, as I told you. So that phase bulk modulus is positive. So dl itself is negative, right? So we can say that dl will come out to be, if you put l as 1 over here, so this will become 5. There are 7 zeros over here. There are, 7 zeros will get cancelled. So we will be left with the 7000, right? And 3 is also left over here, right? So what do we get? 7 3s are 21. So basically we can make this as 21 into 1000 ko we can write as 200, because 5 will become 1. So this will become 1 upon 4200. Negative sign, just as I told you, just means that it will be a decrement. So we have to find the answer in millimeters. So this is meters. So when you divide this by, so you multiply this by 1000. So this will become minus 1 upon 4.2 millimeter. Negative sign, again, as I told you, is simply the decrement, is indicator that the length has decreased. So over here, we can say that if you find the value of this 1 upon 4.2, you're going to get somewhere between 0.23 and 0.24, because 100 upon 42 you can solve by division, and you are going to get somewhere around 0.23 between 0.24. So IT had given the answer between 0.23 say 0.24. So answer will be, exact answer I think comes out to be 0.238, right? So this was a simple question. I hope you would have understood. Nothing difficult about it. Thank you.